favourite of our songs that you want us to play, you can come and ask us, and it's so easy to find them now. So we're actually going to do Fly Like a Bird right now. But if you do have a request, or if you want a certain hymn, come and talk to us.
Mate,
Brown Eyed Girl? Yeah, we'll do Brown Eyed Girl for you, Paul. Tainted Love after this one.
For Paul.
We will do that one after this one, Paul.
Ready?
Yeah.
Was it howling hands, howling like they never heard before? Cried so loud on Granddad, almost hit the door. He said, I love this child as much as anyone here ever. I thank the Lord he won't be having it anymore. Baby heard the sweetest sound he ever heard, in tone so beautiful, he hung on every word. She said, hush my love, Granny's little dove is gonna sing to the sky. It was on such a night he learned to fly like a bird. He hears